Surface engineering industry is a strategic emerging industry and pillar of Made in China 2025. Xingyi, following the pace of national development, committed to creating advanced intelligent electroplating equipment with international competitiveness. Xingyi, established in 1987, is located in Wuxi, China. The construction area is 40,000 square meters with over 200 employees. Xingyi has set a wholly owned subsidiary in Germany. Xingyi is a high-tech enterprise based on technical innovation and oriented to customer needs, committed to providing turnkey services including planning, design, manufacturing, installation, debugging, and training. Xingyi has an annual production capacity of 15 large-scale electroplating lines and 30 small lines, wastewater and waste gas treatment equipment. Xingyi's main products are plastic plating line, hardware plating line, hard chromium plating line, anodizing line, circular plating line, barrel plating line, multi-process plating line, water treatment equipment, waste gas treatment equipment, automatic transportation and storage systems, intelligent control systems, etc. These lines are widely used in various fields such as automobiles, aerospace, engineering machinery, hardware, sanitary ware, jewelry, military industry, electronic circuits, etc. Xingyi has delivered over 1,000 production lines worldwide. Xingyi brings together more than 30 professional design talents and 20 senior engineers and project management personnel. The team covers mechanical design, environmental design, electrical design, and software development, providing customized complete solutions. The team is equipped with 3D design, statics analysis, simulation, and other professional software. The process control is implemented in accordance with the ISO quality management system. The production line exported to the European Union has been inspected by professional institutions and conformed to CE standards. Xingyi has provided various surface treatment equipment and environmental protection equipment for automobile main parts factories, as well as defense and military units. Xingyi has exported to Japan, Europe, South Korea, the United States, Vietnam, Egypt, Thailand, Myanmar, and other countries and regions. Xingyi will firmly follow the National Green Sustainable Development Strategy, providing more specialized and systematic intelligent electroplating solutions.